Solve the following quadratic equation and find out the roots for the same. 3x square minus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. So comparing this with the general form of quadratic equations, we get a equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 7. So we get AC is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 7, that is minus 21. Now we have to factorize minus 21 in such a way that the addition of factors should be equal to the value of b, that is minus 4. Now luckily if you take 3 and minus 7 itself, you get the same thing, that is addition of factors is equal to minus 4. So we'll split the middle term like this itself. So therefore 3x square plus 3x minus 7x minus 7 is equal to 0. So taking 3x common, you have your x plus 1 minus 7 common into bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore you have 3x minus 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore you get the roots as x is equal to 7 by 3 or x is equal to minus 1.